how to get a recovery code for your Microsoft account. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to get a recovery code for your Microsoft account. This recovery code is super important if you ever got logged out. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to https://account.microsoft.com and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, simply log in with your credentials. Tap on three horizontal lines and simply go to security. You may be prompted to enter your password. Just do that and click on sign in. Now simply just tap on account and tap on manage how I sign in. Now scroll down until you find an option that says additional security, and here you can find an option that says passwordless account, and under there you can see turn on. Simply tap on turn on, click on next. Now all you gotta do is open your Microsoft Authenticator and scan the QR code, and you'll be able to generate your code. And that's it. That's how you get a recovery code for Microsoft account.